Hey, first things first, huge shout out to Secretlab, baby. Look at this. You can't even see how massive this box is, but it's huge. And what's inside of here is an answer to all of my prayers I had lately. If you see my desk tour,
the next thing I need is a good office chair.
My old chair, this one right here, you know what I'm saying? Had that for a while, had that for some years now. It's starting to get to the point where it and my back, we aren't communicating and associating properly. It's not working. Hit up Secretlab and they bless your boy. This is the Titan series. What color did I get? I don't know. We gonna see when we get inside. Well, I do know, but like, man, play along, okay? Let's get it. Yeah, I just did. You just saw me do all that back breaking labor. Nah, it wasn't even at all. It wasn't hard at all. I did this in about roughly, not even 20 minutes. It's probably about 15 minutes. You know, I watch the video before I do it. That's how I roll, because I gotta know what I'm doing. Anyways, look at that bad boy. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Let's just take a seat in my new Secretlab Titan chair, baby. Oh, the Titan for the Titans. You know what I'm saying? Plus, I like a nice size chair. I don't want anything all super snug and all that stuff. So, you know what I'm saying? I'm sitting here with the Titans and stuff. I got my tilt, I got my pillow, I got my neck support. You know what I'm saying? Cause I nod off sometimes. I'll be sitting there trying to grind or watching Viper stream and be flicking my neck back on my old chair. You know what I'm saying? Cause my old chair only came to here, but this one got my head covered. I'm good. I'm comfortable. I'm chilling. I'm loving it. Yo, huge shout out to Secretlab on this one, boy. Now let me talk to you on the big camera, you know what I'm saying? Let's do it.
Woo! Yes. As you can see, I got a new chair to sit in, something new for my back, something just new for the look, new for the 2019. Let's get it. This is the Secretlab Titan chair for the Titans, you know what I'm saying? Kind of got me looking a little, hold up, player, let me sit up straight and stuff, you know what I'm saying? Anyways, my name is CJ, this is CJKnowsTECH, where I love to talk tech and anything creative. And today we're talking about the Secretlab Titan gaming chair. Now this bad boy is sleek, premium, just voluptuous goodness. If you watch my channel, I hope you do, and if not, hit that sub button now. I did a desk tour not too long ago, and I kept saying over and over, yo, I need a chair. I was reaching out to the chair companies out there via, you know, the socials. Anyways, no one got back. No one hit me up. Well, so I took it upon myself, you know what I mean? I started looking up chairs, scheming, you know what I'm saying? You know, first place I went to was Herman Miller. But yeah, that didn't work out. And then I came across Secretlab. I was looking up a lot of the best gaming chairs. I was like, man, let me try a gaming chair, because you know, you got that nice upper neck and body support, and I needed something in that lumbar, you know what I'm saying? I need to get that popping off too. Also, another thing, I drive a GTI, which has these sport bucket seats. So, you know, this is natural to me to sit in these. It has a nice firm stern holding, and you know what I mean? It still also accommodates the lax, you know what I mean? Trying to lax out, you know what I'm saying? Hold up, player. Movie mode. This is movie mode right here. Yeah, you guys can't see me. Let me quit playing. Bow. So this is an awesome chair. Now, depending on your height and your weight, there's different models. There's the Titan, the Omega, and then there's, you know, whatever the third one is. We'll just put a little word right there or something. And according to my height and weight class, I am Titan, baby. I'm a Titan out here. I know I don't really look like a Titan, you know what I'm saying? But don't let the camera fool you. I'm a Titan, you know what I'm saying? I reached out to Secretlab. I wanted to try their products. I wanted to give this a try because my old chair, matter of fact, let me pull up. You make me sick, you know what I'm saying? I'm pretty sure they know what's going on, so they're probably crying right now. But this was my old chair. This is an ergonomic chair. This is an expensive ergonomic chair, like for real, for real. Now this one is good though. It gets you, it cups you up in here, kind of holds your body and stuff is different. It's not very high though. So like those nights I'm grinding hardcore and I'm nodding off, I will mess up my neck. I do that a lot. Now this one leans, but it ain't got that lean like that one, you know what I'm saying? After being in this chair for hours and hours, after a while, like my lumbar support is lost in here. I don't think it's firm enough for me in this lower back region and so forth. But I love this chair. It's been good to me. Yeah, but now Secretlab is finna be good to me with this chair, you know what I'm saying? So let's go over some of the goods. Up, down, front, back, inward, outward, and that's how they work. This chair gets up really high. I have a standing desk. Maybe some days I might wanna lift it up and just float, you know, get a footstool, chill. I could do that with this. You got lock, tilt, sleep. And that is, I think, the gist of what all this chair can do. Now you can adjust how hard, like when I first got it, it was just like stuck like this. So if you're worried about that, you can twist this bottom part right here, get it to be loose. So that way it's easier for you to tilt back, you know what I'm saying, to your liking. I got it where I think I need it to be. And I like this tilted just a little bit. I sit with a lean, you know what I'm saying? So the fact that I can have my chair already adjusted to kind of like my lean, so that's how I be rolling GTI, you know. No, I'm just playing. So I'm gonna have to report back after sitting in this chair for hours, editing, grinding, and getting it in. But as far as my first initial impressions, I'm very satisfied. I'm very happy. I like the sternness of the chair. I can definitely see, oh, I forgot to tell you, the most important part, the built-in lumbar right here. You can adjust how much lumbar support you have with this twist of this knob, built in, not like those other chairs where you got the pillow. Now, if you get the Omega, you get the pillow, but on the Titan series, it's built in. That was another reason I went with the Titan, but that's very important, very serious when it comes to your lumbar. You know, I'm gonna be sitting in this joint for hours, editing and so forth. So I gotta get that in to let you know how the sit and the grind is for this. But as far as first impressions, the build was easy. The quality on this is really good. It's really nice, really firm from what I can tell so far. So I'm happy. Now, let's see how it goes after editing and so forth. So I'm gonna do a follow-up. So it's been, I don't know, 4 or 5 days or so since I got this here. Focus on that, come on, get the fucking camera, focus. Since I got this Secretlab Titan chair from Secretlab, thank you guys, shout out to you. And I've been using it. I've been getting in my editing, I've been getting in my sitting, my chilling. I've been putting it use after use for hours after hour. And I can just tell you, like, straight up 100%, I absolutely love this chair. The firmness of it, the ergonomics as far as my back, the lumbar support, which is built in from the turn of a knob, is actually built into the seat. I just absolutely love it. The pillow, the laid back capabilities, you know what I'm saying? I could take it all the way back here on you. And so these are all of the great versatile functionalities of the Secretlab Titan and Omega. And I forget what the other chair is. Depending on your size, height, and weight, you pick one of the three. These chairs are built with great quality, great materials, great versatility, like all of the different functions, you can move them and so forth. Since I see them all over, you know, YouTube, see a lot of people own them, I was curious about them. I was curious about the vibe, the feel, and the comfort of them. Did a lot of research. So it's not unfamiliar to me, but even outside of that, if these type of chairs aren't familiar to you, I think the firmness, the build, the versatility of this one is very comfortable for me. Someone who sits and edits like for hours and hours and hours. Like I get my grind on like 100%, and this thing supports me all the way through. So far it's been a pleasant sitting experience. Now, this one that I got is the all black, like the little polyurethane, little hookup. Now, they also offer the Napa leather for you ballers. So if you want that top-notch premium Napa leather, with Secretlab, you know what, that one would have been a really nice one to have received. If you ever want to send me the Napa leather one for review, I'm all open. But that one's a little bit more expensive, and that one has that, you know, that Napa leather, that get down. And I think that one's like a navy blue. Then there's another two other colors, I believe, that's in this polyurethane leather type of setup. Like one that has these orange highlights. You got this one with the black on black with this nice suede, like nubuck. Feels good on the arms. Take your pick. Links in the description. Go check them out. Like, trust me, I highly recommend them. Another thing I love about this chair is the space. Like, I'm not constricted, I'm not confined. Like, I can get the armrest out of my way. I feel like I'm sitting in an open chair. It's very grandioso, very, man. The swag with this bad boy is on point. I don't always sit in traditional methods. Like I say, I'm sitting, I'm grinding throughout different hours. Obviously, I got the standing desk so I can go up if I need to when I've been sitting for too long. But, you know, I sit Indian style in my chair sometimes, one leg up, the other leg up, one leg down type of thing. So I'm always switching around. This chair has the optimal space for me to do that. This answers all of my comfort needs and necessities at the moment. Need I mention the pillow? Like when you on that grind, like when I'm watching videos back, I go into like, you know, viewer mode. I just sit back, chill, watch the video, lay back, got the big 40-inch 4K right there, big chilling. You know what I'm saying? It's very ideal. I got so many different modes. Okay, so all in all, in a nutshell, I'm highly recommending this chair. It's like really great. This thing is so awesome. I'm having so much fun with it. But even outside of that, the biggest thing I've noticed is the support for my back. And that matters most. So, you know, no back pain thus far, no uncomfort, no drama, no cutoff in the legs or circulation. So far, it's been a dream for me. So it fits me. So go get your one. Hit the link in the description. Go. All right, I'm just joking, you guys. Nah, but real talk, it's an A1 chair. I love it, absolutely love it. Get you one.